Welcome back. Students of Government School at Simwaddo, Hadfade find it difficult to attend their classes. School authorities have failed to get the pre-monsoon maintenance works done. Roof tiles are broken, water drops into the classrooms, zero maintenance. Parents have demanded that the school should be repaired at the earliest.
These are the classrooms of Government Primary School at Simwaddo in Hadfade. Tip, tip, tip. Yes, the water enters their classroom continuously during monsoon. Have a look. The roof tiles are broken, benches are wet. This clearly indicates that pre-monsoon work was not done. The branches of huge mango tree bend on the school roof. This is yet another reason of roof leakage.
नळ्या फुटल्या मानारी येता कोण कोण येता आमे आसले आमे पडलेले फुटलेले तेणी कोण पळोवंकूच ना कोण पळयतलो म्हणजे पंचायत पळोवंक जायना येवन असं तेंच्यांनी येवन पळोवंक ना काय ना आनी काय त्या खातीर बेगीन स्कूल शाळा सोडल्या तेंच्यांनी.
Parents are angry over this affairs. They inform that students leave classes halfway and return home as the classrooms get wet during rains. They have now demanded that classrooms should be repaired as soon as possible.
आता 2-3 दीस जाले पळय स्कूल चालू हा तितून आमचे भुरगे बेगीनूच शाळा सोडटा इकरानूच शाळा पळय सोडला आज उदी कितला भरला तुमी भितर पळोवंक ना सारके मागीर सगळे मेजा बी बसून बी काय मेळना तांकां आतां करता म्हणटा आतां केन्ना सारके करता ते तांकांच खबर आहा न्ही बायला आमचा आदी गुरुजी आसला न्हू ताका काय खबर ना आदी असला न्हू तो गुरुजी आमचो रिटायर्ड जाला तो ना तो सारको करतालो ताका सगळी म्हायती असली न्हू रे आतां ती म्हायती आतां येवंक जायना तेंच्यांनी
सारके शाळा करपाची सरळ आनी नळे बीन फुटले ते सारके करपाचे परत तेंच्यांनी मातशे हे घेवपाचे शाळेचे आनी सगळे सारके करपाचे.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Pastries, savories, Indian snacks. The Goan bread basket was inaugurated in Mapsa city. The food joint promises to serve oven fresh eatables every day.
The Goan bread basket was inaugurated at Mapsa city. Pastries, savories, snacks, beverages and lots more. It was inaugurated by NCP State President Nilkant Halankar. Councillor Rupa Bhakta and others were present at the inaugural function.
We are opening the Govt bread basket. We are launching with our own brand name and our motto is daily fresh every day. So what we plan to give everyone is oven fresh every day and that's what we strive to do to the best of our ability.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
If you have missed a bulletin, you can log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.